Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Golden Bay. Aglaonema Golden Bay, your guide to this easy care houseplant. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Golden Bay, a stunning and low-maintenance houseplant perfect for beginners and seasoned plant parents alike. This guide will answer all your burning questions about the Aglaonema Golden Bay, from its care requirements to its unique features. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aglaonema Golden Bay? The Aglaonema Golden Bay, also known as the Chinese evergreen, is a tropical foliage plant native to Southeast Asia. It's known for its beautiful, variegated leaves that come in shades of silver green with a creamy white center. Why choose an Aglaonema Golden Bay? There are many reasons to love the Aglaonema Golden Bay. Here are a few. Low maintenance. This plant is incredibly forgiving. It thrives in low-light conditions and doesn't require frequent watering. Perfect for busy schedules or forgetful plant owners. Air purifying. The Aglaonema Golden Bay helps remove common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, improving indoor air quality. Drought tolerant. This plant can handle periods of dryness. Just ensure the soil dries out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Slow growing. The Aglaonema Golden Bay grows at a slow pace, making it ideal for smaller spaces. How do I care for my Aglaonema Golden Bay? Taking care of your Aglaonema Golden Bay is simple. Here's what you need to know. Light. This plant prefers low to medium indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Aglaonema Golden Bay when the top inch of soil dries out. Overwatering is a common mistake, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. While the Aglaonema Golden Bay tolerates average humidity levels, it thrives in a more humid environment. You can group it with other plants to create a mini humidity haven or use a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, can promote healthy growth. However, it's not essential for survival. Is the Aglaonema Golden Bay easy to propagate? Absolutely. The Aglaonema Golden Bay can be easily propagated by stem cuttings. Here's a quick guide. Take a healthy stem cutting with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Place the pot in a warm location with indirect light. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Once established, you can care for the new plant just like the mother plant. Common problems with Aglaonema Golden Bay. There are a few problems you might encounter with your Aglaonema Golden Bay, but they're easily preventable. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to bright light. Adjust your watering schedule and light placement accordingly. Drooping leaves. This is usually a sign of overwatering. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally bother your Aglaonema Golden Bay. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Aglaonema Golden Bay versus other popular houseplants. Here's how the Aglaonema Golden Bay compares to some other popular houseplants. Snake plant. Sansevieria both are low maintenance and tolerant of neglect. However, the snake plant has a more upright, architectural form, while the Aglaonema Golden Bay offers beautiful variegated foliage. ZZ plant. Zamioculca zimifolia is similar to the snake plant. The ZZ plant is known for its low light tolerance and ease of care. Both the ZZ plant and Aglaonema Golden Bay have glossy leaves, but the ZZ plant lacks the interesting variegation of the Aglaonema Golden Bay. Peace lily. Spathiphyllum both are air purifying and prefer indirect light. However, the peace lily produces elegant white flowers, while the Aglaonema Golden Bay boasts stunning foliage. Pothos. Epipremnum aureum both are fast-growing vines perfect for hanging baskets. However, pothos comes in various leaf shapes and colors, while the Aglaonema Golden Bay offers a more compact, bushy form. Conclusion. The Aglaonema Golden Bay is a versatile and rewarding plant that adds a touch of elegance and vibrancy to any space. With its easygoing nature and stunning good looks, it's sure to become a cherished member of your indoor jungle.